Hey, I just got this pretty cool outdoor security camera for your home. Let's go check this guy out. In this video, I'll be reviewing outdoor security camera from IMOU. This outdoor security camera supports 360-degree camera rotation plus smart human motion tracking. You can find this in Amazon for around $90. First, let's do unboxing. The camera is actually really big size. It's almost like the one they use in the casinos or in the big stores. It could be a little bit intimidating, but it's pretty easy to set up. So let's go set this guy up. First, go ahead and insert your SD card if you want to record your videos locally. Then plug in your power. Next, we need to download the app. Go and scan the barcode on the manual and download the app. If you're running the app for the first time, you need to sign up, and then after you sign up, go ahead and log in. Adding your camera to the app is very easy. Go and click the plus sign on the top of the app, and then scan the barcode on the bottom of the camera. When you see a flashing green light, you are ready to set up. First, you need to join the Wi-Fi on the camera, and then afterwards, you gotta join your home Wi-Fi. And it's all done. The cloud storage is optional, and if you want to do cloud storage, you have to pay additional monthly fee. If you ask for a firmware update, go ahead and do the update. Here you go, I can see the live image from the camera on my phone. Right now the screens are upside down, but you can always rotate the screen. First thing I'm going to do is change the name of the camera. Here I'm going to change the name of the camera to Backyard. So this home security camera has all the standard features, plus it's got all the cool features. Let's go test it out. One of the cool thing about this camera is you could rotate the camera, click on flat, you will see a control to move the camera angle. As you can see, camera rotates 360 degrees. Also, camera moves up and down. Also, smart tracking is a very cool feature. If it detects a motion, the camera will follow you around. The smart tracking system is not too perfect. If the object is moving very fast, it won't follow you around. The object has to move slowly. Even though this is not a perfect system, but it's a very cool feature to have. The siren and spotlight also very cool features to have. Siren makes loud noise. Spotlight turn on the bright light. Also, you could activate the spotlight automatically when it detects a motion. Easiest way to see recorded video is click on View History Record and then click on either cloud or your SD drive. And you will see this orange bar indicates when the video has been recorded. When you go to each orange bar, you can see the video from that time. The video records when it detects a motion. It doesn't record 24/7. You can also see the rest of the video on the right corner option menu, and you can scroll down to see each video that's been recorded. It also features 4 different types of night vision options, including smart night vision. You have option to add more than 1 cameras to the app, and you could even watch 4 cameras at the same time. That's very cool features to have. Of course, you have the option to set up a phone alert when the camera detects motion. And by clicking on the alert, it will go straight into the video, so you can watch it right away. Another cool feature is the desktop app. You have option to run desktop app for the camera. Just go to the IMOU website and download the desktop app. The desktop app does pretty much the same thing that the mobile app does. You could watch live video or playback video, or you could watch up to 4 cameras at the same time, just like the app. The one feature that desktop app has is the record function. If you turn on the record function on, it will record 24/7. Plus, it will alert you for motion detection. So this is my backyard. My backyard is perfect place for this type of secure camera because my backyard is like long and narrow type of backyard. So I will be placing the camera up there. I'm going to be installing the camera on this wooden beam, so it should be very easy to install. First, I'm going to be installing the camera mount. The camera comes with the template that you could use. So here I'll stick a template there. And then start drilling your holes to the screws. Once the hole is drilled, then just take off the template sticker. Then you can start mounting your camera mount with the screws. And then once it's done, you could go and mount your camera. Very simple. The last step is to manage your cable and then plug your power plug to the nearest outlet. So here is the camera. Power line goes all the way down to the beam to the extension cord, and the extension cord goes all the way down to the nearest power plug. Here I have full view of the long narrow backyard.